Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to add text to your videos using CapCut in just a few easy steps. Let's get started. First, open your CapCut app and select the existing project or tap the new project to start a new one. Once you're in the timeline, move the playhead to where you want the text to appear. Then tap on the text at the bottom menu. Then choose Add Text, then type in your caption, title, or whatever you want to show. After typing, you can customize it. You can change the font, the color, the animation, and the style. And you can edit whatever you want. And tap the check mark when you're done, and drag the text on the timeline to adjust when or where it appears. And that's how you edit and add text to your videos in CapCut. Super easy. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss more CapCut tutorials. Thanks for watching.